You know, there's nothing like coming home from work to the smell of a home-cooked meal. Today we're going to be making a whole plant-based potato soup made with gold potatoes. So the first thing I do is begin peeling the carrots. And I usually like to go with a sweet onion. I usually like to keep the skins on the potato. So that's 6 gold potatoes. Now let's go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients and spices. I usually go ahead and start with the vegetable broth. Maybe a cup of unsweetened almond milk. Of course, some water. I like a little bit of garlic powder. Just a little bit of dill. Of course, bay leaf. I like a little bit of basil in there too, just a little bit of basil. And of course some pepper, some salt. Now the thing is with potato soup, it kind of needs some salt, but again, that's optional. The nutritional yeast, I usually like to go with about a half a cup, maybe a little bit more. We'll give that a stir. Well, there you go. This is looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put this on low for about 8 hours. You know, the really cool thing about a slow cooker is that you can cut up all your vegetables before you go to work or the night before. You know, sometimes you need to chop up vegetables or make cream sauces or puree things. So I needed to find a hand processor that was relatively easy to clean and had some power. This is a Kiko hand processor, and it was about 40 bucks on Amazon. It also comes with these other items which are really helpful. It comes with this this container that you can actually go ahead and puree things or make your sauces or something like that, and then be able to pour it back into whatever. It also comes with a chopper, which is actually kind of nice. It's pretty simple to use. It's just, you know, you just go ahead and pulse the vegetables in this container. As you can see, it's relatively easy to clean. This comes off. Be careful about the blades. They're pretty sharp. It's relatively easy to clean and get out because it doesn't have quite a bit of stuff in there like your conventional blenders. It's really fast. It's really simple. And that's the whole thing with me in the kitchen. I like things to be easy to clean, easy to put away, and get going. Okay, so this has been cooking on low for about 8 hours. Oh, this is looking really good, really good, really good. Now, you can eat it just like this, or you can make cream of potato soup, which is really relatively easy to do if you have a hand processor or a blender. Some people like it where it has a little bit of chunk still in there. It's looking really, really good. And as you can see, it's got a little bit of chunk still in there. And then I usually like to finish it off with just a little bit of chives. And there you have it. Cream of potato soup. Now see, the thing is about this particular recipe, it's fairly easy to just chop up a bunch of vegetables, put them in a slow cooker, and go about your day and come home to a nice, warm, comfort food ready to go. So let's go ahead and check it out. Today I'm going to be making a breakfast.